Do you ever feel like something is missing in your daily life? Maybe a sense of fun, playfulness, or lightness? That's your inner child calling. Today, we're going to explore 5 fun and simple ways to nurture your inner child, starting right now. Your inner child is the part of you that still holds your childhood memories, emotions, and unmet needs. When you nurture this part of yourself, you create space for joy, creativity, and healing in your adult life. What did you love doing as a kid? Drawing, dancing, playing outside? Bring it back, even if just for 10 minutes. Engaging in childhood hobbies reconnects you with joy and curiosity. Your inner child is always listening. Speak to yourself with kindness and reassurance. Next time you feel anxious, try saying, "I see you, I hear you, and I'm here for you." As kids, we played just for fun. No pressure, no productivity. Try playing today. Build something, dance freely, or laugh at something silly. Let go of the need to do it right and just have fun. Many of us were told we had to earn rest, but your inner child deserves downtime. Take a nap, cozy up with a blanket, or simply do nothing for a while. It's healing. Take a moment to write to your younger self. Tell them what they needed to hear, that they are loved, safe, and never alone. This simple act can be deeply healing. When you nurture your inner child, you create a healthier, happier version of yourself. You heal old wounds, boost creativity, and build self-compassion, all while inviting more joy into your daily life. Which of these activities will you try today? Pick one and give yourself permission to have fun with it. Let me know in the comments what your inner child is craving most. Your inner child is always there, waiting for you to reconnect. Give yourself the love, care, and joy you deserved all along. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little more playfulness in their life.